Oh, what's up, guys? Davion here. Today, I'm gonna be playing White Noise. Yeah. Let me just get the game on, and then we can start it. Okay? Yes. Yeah, I know it's been a long time. I know nobody thinks this is game. Wait, people do think this game is to get still scary. It's a version of Slender Man. Yeah, I already played this before, and I'm still scared of it. I am scared out of my mind. I don't want to play it because I haven't played it in a long time, but I want to play it right now. Even though I just said I don't want to. But if y'all give me, wait, never mind. Y'all don't have to give me nothing. But thumbs up, leave a comment if you like. Don't leave a comment if you dislike. So, let's just get started. All right. Come on, no. Come on, is that the right place? Is that the right place? No, not the right place. God dang. Come on. Wait, I'm gonna get up for a second. Come on, I'm gonna get you. Get up. Come on. Is this the right place? Yes, this is the right place. Okay. All right, now let's go. White Noise online. Shit. I am scared. Play online. Public. Really? Really? Oh my god. Hello? Hello? No, no one? Public. I'm just gonna see someone's to be. Okay, let's do this. Baker 51. This is hard. No, not no nightmare mode. Easy mode, normal mode, hard mode. Should we do hard mode? This is heck no, because it's the same thing as nightmare mode. So easy mode. Come on, man. I'm about to be scared. Shit, I'm not playing this by myself. Heck no. I'm not playing it by myself. I hate when I play by myself. It's like, oh my, it's just so creepy. It's really creepy. Like, oh god. I'm just gonna find a match. No doors and no lights. Alright, I'm back again. God. Alright, if y'all don't mind, I am recording y'all and me. Alright, you can start it now.
Wait, you're recording?
Yes.
You're a YouTuber?
Yes.
That's cool, I am too.
Oh. I didn't know that. Yes. This can only be
What are you recording with?
I am recording with my phone.
I record with an Elgato.
No, that well. Okay.
Hey.
I am the girl.
Stay right there for a second. Let me finish my open up
What? Dude, this is nightmare mode. He can just pop out any minute now. See?
Better not. I'm screaming like a little girl.
Yeah, I scream like a little girl too. Oh god.
What usually happens is GoPro screams and dashboards or turns off his Xbox, and then I shortly follow.
Oh my god! I see this. No, the reason I hate nightmare mode is freaking because he can pop out anywhere. One time he popped out right in front of me. I was like screaming like a little girl.
Yo,
What?
Oh,
yo.
What?
now I'm just gonna do a 12-minute video, guys. Then I'm gonna make a part 2.
What do you want, friend?
Dudes, I do not trust nightmare mode now. I don't trust it. Come on, let's move before he gets us. Before he rapes us. He
What do
will.
you want, Brandon? Jesus Christ.
Come on, let's just keep moving before he rape us. Come on. I'm gone. I'm out. Dudes, come on, move already. Oh god. Guys? Guys? Dude? Dude? Leave him. Let's leave him. Oh, fuck that. Fuck no. Wow, that was a ripoff. Seriously. Dudes, that was a ripoff right now. Alright, hello? Hello? If you don't mind, I'm gonna be recording now. Dude, you can start it now. Come on. It's really a ripoff right now. Hello? 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 Oh.
Hi.
Okay, dude, I'm gonna be recording right now. I'm recording right now. Actually, it's been 9 minutes.
Oh.
I'm gonna invite you to my game since he won't start. Alright, let's go. Yeah, we're going on Niger. Hey, dude.
Hi. I'll be this person. Oh, you've got loads of people. How'd you get all them people?
I unlocked them. I don't even. My brother did. My brother did. I don't even know how he did.
Oh. That's cool.
I guess from beating the game. Let's try this one. Let me put on.
Yeah. I don't really mind.
Oh God, I'm scared.
Same. I've only played this game once. I'm probably gonna die.
Wait, what? You only played this game once?
I've only played it once.
I played this like 5 times. I played this like 5 times, and I'm still scared.
Oh, my friend is gonna keep on inviting me to his party. Wait, protect me quick.
It's only on easy mode. Invite me too.
No, I'm not joining because he gets so annoying. I just turned off notifications, so if he invited me to the party, it won't show up.
Alright.
Okay.
Why did you friend him then?
Oh no, he's my friend at school, but he gets so annoying when you talk to a party.
He's a friend at school?
Yeah, it's Tom.
Oh. But he gets so annoying?
There's near the tape.
I heard it's getting closer. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Alright.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah, I'm gonna start running before he comes. Okay, I just wanted to check if I was with you and I got scared. That really scared.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Ah shit. I have to end the video here. Shit.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'll make a part 2. I'll make a part 2 right now.
Cool.
Protect me, please.
Oh well.